Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on earthquake insurance with California Earthquake Authority. Complete guide step by step clearly. The first step is to understand what earthquake insurance covers. This type of insurance protects your home and belongings from damage caused by earthquakes. Next, research the California Earthquake Authority, or CEA. The CEA offers affordable earthquake insurance options tailored for California residents. Visit the CEA website to explore their coverage plans. Pay attention to the different deductible options available. Higher deductibles usually mean lower premiums. Once you've reviewed plans, consider bundling your earthquake insurance with other types of insurance. Many insurers offer discounts for bundled policies. Next, check if you qualify for any state or federal programs that assist with insurance costs. Look into potential discounts based on your home's construction type. Certain building materials and designs can reduce your premiums. Another step is to evaluate your location within California. Some areas may qualify for lower rates based on risk assessments. Consult with an insurance agent who specializes in earthquake coverage. They can help you understand your options and find the best policy for your needs. After that, take a closer look at your home's safety features. Seismic retrofitting can reduce your risk and might lower your premium. Consider investing in safety improvements to ensure a more resilient home. Next, explore available discounts for safety measures, such as installing seismic bracing. Make sure you document any upgrades to share with your insurance provider. Review your insurance policy annually to ensure it meets your current needs. As your property value changes, adjust your coverage accordingly. Finally, don't hesitate to shop around for the best rates. Comparing quotes from different insurers can reveal significant savings. By following these steps, you can effectively save on earthquake insurance with the California Earthquake Authority. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.